Good afternoon, students. How are you? I think you have done first two chapter, no problem till here. Today we will start next topic or next chapter, you can say, and name of the chapter is Coordinate Geometry, class 9th Maths. So first I am taking an example. We will read about this coordinate geometry. You know, first all of you know this. This is a number line, all of you know about this, and in between this number line is 0, after this 1, 2, 3, 4, this is -1, this is -2, -3. I think all of you know about this, how can I locate a number on a number line. And also you know how can define the position of a point on a number line. But what happens if this is given? This is saying x-axis, this is saying y-axis, and one point is lying here. So how can you find out the coordinate of this point? This we will learn in this chapter. First I am taking an example. So this is origin, all of you know, both axes cutting intersect each other at point O, that is the origin, and what are the coordinate of the origin? 0, 0. It's meaning x-axis also 0 here and y-axis also 0 here. Like this I am taking an example. This is a road which is moving west to east, you can say, and here is a street, this it's written street number 1, here is street number 2, here is what? Street 3, and here is street 4, and here is, this is 1 equal distance, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and here also this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. This is a colony, you can say, or you can say main road running in the east to west direction, and street with numbering from west to east. Also on each street house and number are marked. So this is a street number 1, and these are house number 1, house number 2, house number 3, house number 4. And this is a street number 2, it's house number 1, house number 2, house number 3, and house number 4. Continuing like this, street number 3 and 4. And your friend house in this colony, and someone, you know that your friend living in the street number 3, so you can reach there easily. So easily you can reach, this is street number 3, but in this street how many houses? 4 houses. So easily you cannot find out the house of your friend if this complete information given to you, street number 3 and house number 4. So first you can find out what? Street number 3, reaching here, this is looking here written street number 1, street number 2, street number 3 is this house number 4, this is the house number 4. If given street number 2, house number 1. So this is the street number 1, this is the street 2, house number 1 is this. So easily you can find out. So coordinate geometry also telling about these relationship between these. So you can see like this also. Like this, one more thing I want to tell. Like this is a, you can say, rectangle. And one point is lying here. Or you can say, you can put a dot on a sheet paper. If you ask to tell the position of the dot paper, what you can say? You can say like this, the dot is the upper half of the paper. Upper half of the paper, or it's near to the left edge. Do you any other statement you can do like this? Actual way, how can you find out this? This distance you have to find out. Let this is 3 centimeter. This you have to find out. This is 5 centimeter. And you can take this as a x-axis. This is x-axis. And this is y-axis. This. So what you can say, its distance from the y-axis how much? 3, and its distance from the x-axis is what? 5. So what are coordinate you can say? 3 and 5. Understood this? So in this way you can say like this. Another example I am taking. This is x-axis. This is y-axis, and point lying here. This is, you know, origin. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 1, this is 2, this is what? 3. So what you can say? You can perpendicular distance from this point. So this is how much? Distance from the y-axis is how much? 2 unit. Look one time. So x-axis is what? 2. And distance from the x-axis is how much? This is 3 unit. This is saying y-axis. Understood this? Understood or not? Now one more activity given in your book, saying like this: draw a plane of seating in your classroom, pushing all the desks together represent each desk by a square. In each square write the name of the student occupying the desk, which the square represent. Position of each student in the classroom is described basically by the two independent information. So like this, as you know, so this is a classroom. It is like a rectangle or like a square, but here is like a rectangle. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many columns? This is 1 column, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Row also, this is one first row. This is what? If you origin this, so you have to start from here. This is the first row. This is second row. This is third row. This is fourth row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Understood? This is what you can say column number 1. This is column number 2, column number 3, column number 4, column number 5, column number 6. This is what? Row number 1. This up till here. This is row number 2. till here. This is row number 3. This is what? Row number 4. This is row number 5, and this last is row number 6. Same way you can apply for column. Understood? And if anybody is saying represent fifth column and what? Third row. So find out. How can you find out? This is first column, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column. So column is fifth. Row is what? Third. This is the first row, this is second row, this is third row. So this is lying here. So this, if any student name is lying here. Understood? If saying Ram sitting on bench whose column 6 and row 4. So we have to reach where? First column. Both are independent of each other. Either you can find out first, fourth row. 1, 2, 3, fourth row is this. Column number 6. First column, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column, and this is sixth column. In this, whose bench is this? Ram. Or you can find out like this: first column, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column, and sixth column, and row which? Fourth. First row, second row, third row, fourth row. So both are independent. Both are independent. This you can write. How can you write? 5, 3. This you can write. Which column? 6th column. Which row? 4th row. So similarly you can tell this bench, how can you represent? So first you can check what's its column. Which column? First, second, third. It's lying in the 4th column. In which row? 5th row. What is about this? Which column? Second column. Which row? 5th written here, 5. In this way you can manage. Understood? So all discussed above, you have observed that position of any object lying in the plane can be represented with the help of two perpendicular lines. So what you can say, position of any point or any dot we can represent with the help of what? Two perpendicular lines. One line is this, another line is this. This is saying x-axis, this is saying y-axis. This is the positive direction of y-axis, this is the positive direction of x-axis, and this is the negative direction of x-axis, and this is the positive direction of x-axis. This is saying first quadrant, both coordinate x and y are what? Positive. In second quadrant, x is negative and y is positive, and in third quadrant both are negative, and fourth quadrant x is positive and y is negative. So here you can say x, y. Here what you can say? Minus x, y. Here what you can say? Minus x minus y. And here what you can say? X minus y. Understood? So its meaning, you can represent, you can show the position of a dot with the help of what? Two lines which are perpendicular to each other. This simple idea has been reaching a consequence and given rise to a very important branch of mathematics. This branch of mathematics is known as what? Coordinate geometry. So in this chapter we will read about this. What? Our aim is to introduce some basic concept of coordinate geometry, and you will study about what? More about in higher classes. So here we will tell about the basic of the coordinate geometry. So today what you can do, you can solve this exercise 3.1 2 times in your rough notebook. If anywhere problem, then tell me. And tomorrow we will discuss about the next topic. What's the name of that? Cartesian system. Understood? If any problem in these, tell me. Thank you all of you.